CoinEx Fixed Savings. What is fixed savings? CoinEx Fixed Savings is a relatively low-risk, fixed-term digital asset investment product with comparatively stable expected returns. By subscribing to fixed-term savings products with varying lock-up periods, you can align your investments with your financial plans and potentially earn higher expected returns. Subscribe to fixed savings in 3 simple steps. Take USDT as an example for the fixed savings subscription. Step 1. Select product to subscribe. Go to Earn, Fixed Savings, select the product, lockup period, and click Subscribe. Step 2. Confirm details. Please read the detailed information about fixed savings first. The minimum subscription amount and APY vary by coin. Meanwhile, all fixed savings products have a total subscription amount and a maximum subscription amount per person. Please refer to the details during subscription. Step 3. Complete subscription, view assets. Enter the subscription amount. Check the box, I've read and agreed to the CoinEx Fixed Savings user agreement. Then click Subscribe to complete your subscription. After subscribing, view your assets in Assets. Earn. Fixed Savings. Interest accrual and distribution. Unlike flexible savings products that accrue interest hourly and allow instant redemptions, fixed savings products will be automatically redeemed upon maturity, and the principal and interest income are then distributed to the subscriber's spot account. Here is the earnings calculation for fixed savings products. However, early redemption will not yield or allocate any earnings. Only the principal will be returned to your spot account. For multiple subscriptions to a specific product, each subscription is treated as a separate deposit. Each deposit has its own maturity time and estimated earnings, which are calculated separately based on the subscription time, subscription amount, and lockup period. If you encounter any issues when using fixed savings, please visit our help center for more details or submit a ticket to contact CoinEx support. CoinEx, your crypto trading expert.